This is the cathedral at Rouen. That central spire in the back once made the Cathedral of Rouen the tallest building in the world for about 6 or 7 years, until Parisians decided to build some obscure architectural experiment known as the Eiffel Tower. If you'll notice, the front spires, front towers, I guess you could say, are different. They were constructed at different times. One of them is known as the Butter Tower. Money raised to build it was from Catholics who wanted to use butter, which French people love to do. But they can't use butter, or couldn't back then, during Lent, unless they paid the Catholic Church a tithe, and the Catholic Church used that tithe to build the Butter Tower. And there you have the Rouen Cathedral.